everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to upload a story on Facebook with music. Go ahead and open your Facebook app and then click on the create story button. Then what you're gonna do is choose any picture you want to choose and or add on your story. Next, what you can do is, if you want to add sounds on the top of your screen, Facebook will also suggest you some songs, and if you do not want to pick that songs, you can just click on the sound button on the right corner of your phone. Put the songs you like in favorites and then you can save your music, or you can search artist or specific songs that you want to choose to add to your Facebook story. And yeah, this is how you guys can share your story with on Facebook with sound. Just click on the share button and your story will be shared. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching.